All right, all right, all right. We are live. Athletic robots. Yeah. Coming back at ya. Oh, yeah. We are looking at a blaster case of 2021 Prizm NFL football. And it's going to be 20 blasters of Walmart. Excuse me. Orange laser.
It says to not send them in top loaders or cases. Just sleeve.
What?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
That's what the directions say.
Interesting. So, we're set to go at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. And, welcome for those who are new. Welcome back for all of you repeats. Hey, Jerry, how's it going? And, what we'll do is we'll read the starting lineup at 8 o'clock. And then we'll jump on in. Just like it says in the description, we're going to sleeve everything that's not a base card. And the hits are going to go onto top loaders. Yeah. Hey, James, how's it going? So it's going to be fun. Let's see, I'll pull one out here so we can look at it. 2 blaster exclusive laser prisms. Blaster exclusive mem cards. 1 silver prism per box on average. 4 cards a pack, 6 packs per box. What do they got in these? So the lasers are going to be the main thing to look for. I think we've pulled blue or reds out of these, but it doesn't say. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. So they've got red and blues in the blasters as well. Yeah, Jerry. Best of luck to you. We will do our best. We will do our very best. We're coming at you from Iowa. So, pretty nice day today. I mean, it rained earlier, but it cooled it off, so I didn't mind that. But the shipping for this will go down on Monday. And with that in mind, guys, if you want to get into Sunday's breaks, I will give you free shipping. So I'll combine it all into one package for you. So check out Sunday's breaks on the top of the Facebook group page. We got 3 breaks on Sunday for Prizm. We got 50 hangers. We got 20 megas. And we got a mixer of blasters, hangers, and cellos. So check those out. Still got some teams left. OC Cali? Is that where you're at, Jerry? Cali? What is that, Orange County? Sweet. I've never been to Cali myself, but we've been wanting to go. We go to Florida quite a bit. All right. Well, all the teams are paid, guys. All the teams are sold. So it is 8 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. Let's go ahead and get into the starting lineup. First thing I'll do is read the names from my spreadsheet. These are people who went to the Facebook group page and sent me a message and bought a team without needing to win it in an auction. So if you like that, it's available right on the Facebook group page on the top in the featured section. So blaster case, here we go. We got John Boehner has the Falcons, Jason Pecora has the Ravens, Scott Covert the Panthers, Tim Butler has the Texans, Nick Hemmer has the Jaguars, John Boehner the Fins, Janik Nelson, and I don't know if that's Yannick or Janik, but it's Jannik, so I'm going to say Janik, but work with me on that. You got the Pats. James Garrison, welcome back. You got the Saints. Sean Sakas has the Steelers. And Nick Hemmer also has the Titans. And now I'll go to eBay. And I'll go to my awaiting shipment section. And we're going to sort by item title. We're going to call this the blaster case. All right. So we got Jeff and Delma Pace. You have the Bengals. Parker Lewis has the Cowboys. Juan Carminate has the Jets. Dan Corrigan, the Niners. Ramon Burley Johnson, Chiefs. Simon Peralta has the Bucks. William Woodworth has the Browns. Jerry Morrison, the Packers. John Boehner also has the Giants. Michael Knutson, the Vikes. Jeffrey Sloan, Broncos. Timothy Marston, the Colts. Austin McCracken, the Bills. Patrick Amrine has the Cardinals. Jason Batulanen, messed that one up for sure. You got the Chargers. Dave Goldman, the Rams. Antonio Rivas, the Bears. And the Eagles. Brian Peck has the Lions. Kevin Williamson, the Raiders. Armin Horang, you have the Seahawks and the Commanders. All right. So that there is the starting lineup. I don't care who you are. It's going to be fun. Right here. All right, let me get these gloves on for surgery. I'm going to get into 10. TJ will do 10. It'll be magical. Jackie's got Norway playing in the background, so we don't even know where we are. We got Norway on the big screen.
Especially that rock looks like it's about to
fall. Yeah. At some point.
All the way down?
Yeah, that's definitely going to fall off. At some point. But let's all go pile on there all at the same time. There's like, they show a picture of like 100 people on it all at once. All right, let's have some fun, guys. We're about to jump in here. Blaster number 1 of the blaster case. Best of luck, guys. We will upload the video to YouTube. So for those who don't like to watch the whole thing live, you can catch it on YouTube and scroll to the end where you will see a review of the hits. There we go. And we will fly through the base cards as well. Cortland Sutton, silver. Michael Thomas, brilliance. Luckily, we get Kid Reporter cards in Prizm. That's good. Christian Barmore and Nico Collins laser. It's very nice of Panini to throw in the Kid Reporter cards. Cam Akers, base. We got 3 base. Johnny Smith, laser. Dwayne Eskridge. Thurman Thomas, laser. Thermal Thurman. Trey McKitty, laser. Joe Tryon and Devin White, laser. Alright, so Blaster 1, uneventful. Let's move on to Blaster 2. And I'm working from the left to right. In case you're curious. All the same serial numbers. Silver Eric Stokes. There you go, Packers. That's sweet. Kyle Trask Emergent. LaShawn Slater and Adafio, a laser. There you go, Ravens. Jordan Akins, laser. Friarmouth, Antonio Gibson, laser. Boogie Basham, laser. There you go, Bills. Noah Gray and Brian Dawkins, laser. Blaster number 3. Silver, Jonathan Abram, and Emergent, Kellen Mond. Joe Tryon, Sam Ellinger, laser. Kitty Perry. Chase Edmonds, laser. Patrick Jones, the second. Barry Sanders, laser. Lions. Tylan Wallace, laser. Amir Smith Marset. Antonio Brown, laser.
How many blasters is that through?
That's 3 in a row.
Oh my god.
Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, we're on to blaster number 4. Let's see if we can pull a hit.
Starting to look like last year's Prizm basketball right now.
Oh, speaking of, I believe Prizm basketball is out.
I did just see the first off the line.
Finally.
Pac-Man, so I didn't watch it yet.
Summer League for the next season is starting, but you know, better late than never. Chase Edmonds Silver, Chase Claypool Hype. Back-to-back Chase.
Yeah, I think might as well just throw this class away and start with this upcoming class.
Fryermuth and Devonta Smith laser. All right, our first hit of the break goes
This
to.
next class is going to be so much better for basketball.
Oh, basketball, yeah. I definitely like Keegan Murray and the top guy, Paolo.
Yeah, he's good.
How do you pronounce his last name?
Banchero or Banchero?
He's good. He dominated. Oh, and I also like Ivy.
Yeah.
Ivy is good.
All the top 5 picks have potential.
That number 2 pick got tucked by the number 1 pick.
Yeah.
Denzel Mims, laser. But Keegan Murray, I think, he's going places. TJ and I are trying to get his jersey. Noah Gray, Stephon Diggs, laser. Nick Bolton, laser. Pichu! JJ Base. Javante Base. Nick Chubb, laser. Alright. Blaster 5. Nah. Are you talking about Javante or Devontae? Chet Holmgren, yeah. I got his Bowman U refractor. I'm pretty excited about that. 7-foot hoop on face. CJ Mosley, laser.
The number 1 prospect for next year looks.
The dude from Italy, the 7'6" guy?
He looks like that. It makes no sense how he does anything that he does.
Yeah, that should be exciting. Of course, if he goes to the NBA, but you would think he would. Shane Buechele and Daniel Hunter, laser.
He's like a whole head taller than Chet Holmgren.
Yeah. And someone like that can actually run up and down the court is dangerous.
Yeah, he makes dribble moves and actually can shoot.
I remember Sean Bradley. His issue was Greg Newsome, laser. There you go, Browns. Sean Bradley, his issue was just being able to get up and down the court consistently. Is this our... No, still don't even get... They still haven't even given us a mem card. I was like begging for a mem card. Ian Book. There we go, Saints. Got you on the board. Ryan Fitzpatrick, silver. And Young Ho Koo, laser. Bouchel, Tim? Bouchel? Tim says it's Bouchel. Is it Bouchel?
I'm still saying Bouchel.
Oh, what's up with the 3-card pack, Panini? Jonathan Taylor, fireworks. Right when Tim said Bouchel. Alright, it's Bouchel. TJ. Get it right. Alright, finally TJ will get it right now. Ben Skaranek, Zaven Collins laser. That's a cool name to say with a laser. Zaven Collins. Alright. Enough of that. Blaster number 6. Really? Texas Rangers, huh? That's cool. Silver Darnell Savage for the Packers. Fireworks Jamar Chase. Alright, well, case that. That's how this break's going. And the Megas, we had so many inserts, we were just sleeving them. But in this one, what am I? 6 blasters in. We'll take it.
This is why breaks are better than just buying boxes, because somebody would be very, very upset right now.
Yeah, that's how TJ and I's luck usually goes. Justin Fields. Da Bears. Gary Brightwell. Alright, Da Bears. Got you on the board. Da Bears. Sweet Justice. Who's next? Huh. Rangers, huh? Blue Shell. I don't remember that guy. Raheem Mostert, laser. Jock. And a Jeff Okuda laser. Achoo! Oh, here we go, Bears. Brace yourself. We're getting spicy. Miles Gaskin and Justin Fields laser. Pachoo-choo. All right. Let's do into spice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Trying to see. Trying to see if it'll zoom in. Whatever. There you go in there, the Bears. All right, 2-2 and a Mike Evans laser. Blaster 7. Silver DJ Moore. Fireworks DK. DJ DK. Back to back. Shy Smith. Dio Adedibingo. Laser. He good. He good. About times we pull him. Dio. James Conner laser. Michael Carter, Allen Robinson, laser. Dub hairs. JJ Base, coming at ya. Aziz Ajalari, orange laser. This is our first thick one. We got a thick one finally. What is blaster number 7 or something? And finally got one. Ernest Jones, and it goes to the Washington Commanders, De'Ami Brown. Silver rookie gear. Gronk, laser. Well, there's De'Ami.
This is going unbelievably well.
I can't imagine it going any better. Alright, blaster number 8. Who's next? I'm the De'Ami Whisperer. That's the truth. We get a fair share of De'Amis, don't we? Jamar Jefferson Silver and CD Lamb Hype. Kadarius Toney. There you go, Giants. Khalil Herbert. Da Bears. Got you a laser. That's sweet. That'll go well with your Justin Fields, eh? I can't decide who's going to have a better career. Khalil Herbert or Justin Fields. Will Disley laser. Felipe Franks, Jerry Judy, a laser. Three on Sunday. Yep, Tim. The other 3 are on Sunday. Quiddy Pay laser. Zach Wilson. There we go, Jets. Mark Andrews, laser. Ravens. Number 9. TJ's got tomorrow off. He's going to be doing some bachelor party all day long. So wish him luck.
I'll need it.
Oh, we got a blue Gronk. Booyah. There you go, Bucks.
Nice.
Ha! Sweet. That just plopped right out of there. Joe Scobert laser. Sweet. A little wobble wobble. Nice. Bucks for the win. Nice. There you go, Bucks. That's the way to do it. Davis Mills checkerboard. That'd be sweet. I don't think they have checkers and blasters. I don't know. Cornell Powell. Charles Woodson laser. I think the blasters you're looking for blue or reds and the lasers. check. They have the red and black checkers and the magas. I still can't remember where we got the white and black checker. Maybe it was from a Target blaster.
We didn't get any white and black. Not this year.
Oh, we haven't?
We had a Noah Fant.
Monty Rice laser?
Gravity pack last year.
Oh, yeah. Gravity feeds. That's where they were last year. But I haven't seen any of those this year, so I don't know. Jared Dokes, Ronald Jones laser. I would love to get some gravity feeds this year. Last year we were doing like 100 gravity feed pack breaks. It was fun. Antoine Winfield Jr. silver. Zach Wilson emergent. There we go, Jets. True, yeah. I suppose there could be anything in here. Peyton Turner, Rondale Moore, laser. There you go, Cadnos. And blaster number 10. So this will be it for me, and then TJ will do the rest. At the end, he'll do a recap of the hits. And like I say, we will ship on Monday, so if you want to get into the Sunday breaks, we'll combine it all for you. Just shoot me a message. Otherwise, I have no idea what's going on. I usually just combine them. Anyways. Eric Stokes and Jamar Chase laser. There we go. Man, we've been sleeping. Spicy. There we go, Bengals. Doing the spice. Oh, he shoots, he scores. It's about time he gives me a Jamar Chase laser. I've been waiting for 82 breaks to get that Jamar Chase. He's been promising me a Jamar Chase. But if I don't get my base card of whoever, I'm going to have a little fit. Brian Dawkins. And I had a little fit. Jameson Crowder laser. I received his neutral feedback today, TJ. Did you read it? It's an essay.
No, I didn't read it.
Micah Parsons, there we go, Cowboys. Cole Beasley laser.
I don't know what's worse, complaining about not getting the base Brian Dawkins or complaining about Kellen Mond not being cased.
I got that one removed. Yeah, that guy was annoying. He never sent me a message or anything. He just left me a negative.
He's played exactly the amount of same minutes in the NFL as I have.
Javon Holland. Yeah.
We have the same NFL stats.
I mean, I will say if he wanted him cased, I probably would have, but he never asked me. So, and then he complains that I didn't case Kellen Mond base cards and his inserts. I was like, I wouldn't do that because he's not a hit. Terrace Marshall and Derek Barnett. Mecole Hardman Jr. Silver. There you go, Chiefs. D-Hop, brilliant. So, TJ, I did do pretty well. I got a blue Gronk, I got a Jamar laser, and a Justin Fields laser. Who else did I get? Devonta Smith laser. So you got quite a bit of catching up to do there.
I'd say so.
So let's see what TJ can do here. TJ's up. What's going to happen?
Broncos country. Let's ride.
Who's in Broncos country?
Huh?
Who said that?
Russell Wilson.
Oh.
You guys pulled any Josh Allen hit cards in any of your breaks? Not that I can remember,
I mean,
but maybe. Silver Laramie Tunsil. Devontae Adams Brilliance. Definitely not personally. We don't pull hits personally. Breven Jordan. Breven Jordan Orange.
unless it's Jalen Darden or De'Ami Brown. Okay. We pull those consistently.
I could run the market on Jalen Darden autos.
Dez Fitzpatrick, we're good at that too.
Kyle Hughes check orange. Travis Etienne. Travis Fulgham orange. Travis Etienne orange. Oh. Down goes the noisemaker. Gary Brightwell. Orange Blake Martinez. Silver Amon Green. Terrace Marshall Emergent. Monty Rice. And Chaz Surratt Orange. Nick Bosa orange. Shoot, Tim, I feel like everybody's hiding. Josh Allen and Herbert, specifically, I suppose. Rondale Moore. Brett Favre orange.
Herbert. Justin Herbert?
I'm guessing. I don't know.
What's that?
Tim Butler. Elijah Moore orange. Here we go, Jets. Kylan Hill and Eric Ebron orange. Silver Luke Kuechly. Clyde Edwards-Helaire hype. Patrick Jones. And Najee Harris, orange laser. There we go, Steelers.
That's nice.
Rocky Sin, orange laser. Five-card pack. Amir Smith Marset. And orange Derek Carr. Does that mean there's a 3-card pack coming up? Elijah Mitchell orange. This one's thick. Trey Nixon. Orange Deion Jones. And Devonta Smith rookie gear. There you go, Eagles.
Nice.
Cam Akers orange. Tutu Atwell. Kenyon Drake orange. Tylan Wallace orange. Frank Darby. Russell Gage orange. Silver James Robinson. Tyreek Hill Brilliance. Nashawn Wright. Seth Williams orange. Silver Levi Onwuzurike. Patrick Mahomes Brilliance. Michael Carter. Javonte Williams orange laser. There we go, Broncos.
Bang, bang.
Xavier Rhodes, orange. Ernest Jones and Josh Jacobs, orange. Larry Roundtree, orange. Rashawn Slater. Orange, Blake Jarwin. Five blasters left. Oh, officially? Silver, Julio Jones. Devonta Smith break. Keeney Wongwu. Kyle Pitts, orange laser.
Yeah.
There we go, Falcons. Yeah, no kidding, Donnie. Slightly brutal. But you know, now we know where all the hits are. See you Sunday.
Yeah.
Had to get these out of the way, sadly. You know,
We got a blue Gronk.
we did get a blue Gronk. Don't forget about that. Don't know how you could. Brandon Cooks, orange laser.
It's his last card. Could be collectible.
True.
Unless he comes back like Brady did.
Nishan Wright. Orange, Corey Littleton. Gronk did say if Brady called him and told him to come back, he'd come back.
Oh, well, he's probably going to come back.
Probably.
Plus, he likes to copy Brady.
That is true. Jamie Newman, orange. This one feels a little thick. Oh, it looks a little thick. J.C. Horn. Orange, Mike Allstott. Kenneth Gainwell. Premier patch. Go Eagles.
Oh, sweet. Eagles, sweet little zebras.
Eagles with back-to-back patches.
Where's that at? Where's that?
It's either Finland, Sweden, or Norway.
Wow. That'd be cool to see in the wild. That takes out.
Yeah, but this one back there.
Good.
Mike Gesicki, orange. Trey Nixon. Billy Sims, orange. Jabril Cox, orange. Josh Palmer, 5-card pack here. Silver Amon Green and Patrick Queen, orange. Here's the 3-card pack after the 5-card pack. Michael Brocker's Lamar Jackson and D-Hop Brilliance.
There's Panini getting you back.
Tommy Trumbull. And Chuba Hubbard Orange. Silver, Brashad Perriman, and Dalvin Cook Brilliance. Jamin Davis, and Brevin Jordan Orange. Charles Haley Orange. Ambry Thomas. Jared Goff Orange. Kevin Mawai. We got a rookie orange, Travis Etienne. Amari Rogers. Drew Sample, orange. Dos Mas. Whatever Blasters is in Spanish. Yep.
Ramos.
Blasteres. Sounds about right. We'll say it's right. Silver Teddy Bridgewater. Jonathan Taylor Fireworks. Elijah Moore. Ernest Jones, orange. DK Metcalf, orange.
I bet the kayak guy at the kayak shop would die to do that shit. Nobody does that shit for fun.
Jake Funk. Dante Hall, orange. Rashawn Slater, orange. Mac Jones base. There we go.
Booyah.
He comes out. Orange laser Avante Maddox.
Easy elusive.
All right, last blaster. Let's do it.
You can do it!
Silver, Jalen Camp. Justin Fields, new recruits.
Strawberries.
Trey Sermon. Des Fitzpatrick, orange. Orange, Aaron Donald. I think I somehow managed to do worse. Jalen Camp once again. Anthony Barnes, Anthony Barr, orange.
You weren't going to do better than me anyways. I got the blue Gronk.
That's true.
Chances were slim.
Elijah Molden, orange. All right, last pack magic.
You can do.
Ramondre Stevenson and orange Levante David.
Wow.
Alrighty. Well, doesn't even need a recap, but we sure will recap.
Let's recap the recap.
Just do them all together. I could hold them in one hand. Alrighty. Justin Fields, new recruits. Zach Wilson, emergent. Jamar Chase, fireworks. Kyle Pitts, orange. Javonte Williams, orange. Najee, orange. Elijah Moore, orange. Jamar Chase, orange. Gronk, blue. See you Sunday, James. Justin Fields, orange. Devontae Smith, orange. Mac Jones, Micah Parsons, Zach Wilson, Kadarius Toney, Justin Fields, Javonte Williams. And then the patches, we got Kenneth Gainwell, Devonta Smith, and De'Ami Brown. And that'll do it. We'll see y'all Sunday.
Ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
That's where the good stuff is.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we'll see ya.